Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error code 0xc0000185 Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD boot. Find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case C is boot drive and D is Windows installed drive. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type /deedit space, /export space, /bcd backup. Attrib space, /boot /bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Ren space, /boot /bcd space, bcd.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot space, Windows installed drive letter / Windows space, /s space, boot drive space, /f space, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.